Hello guys, today I want to show you how to make use of the recursive function here. So for this tutorial, I only teach you the basic recursive function. If I still have time, I can upload other crazy recursive function skills here and teach you how to use those stuff. Okay. First of all, you can look at this question. You'll find that it's really easy, right? It's super easy. Your mind should already got the solution. Yeah, return m times n. Yeah, super easy. Right? Or no, there's no need for the semicolon. Yeah, you can use that. Doesn't matter. Okay, but for here, we are required to use the recursive way, not the simple way to solve. How to use the recursive way. So 5 times the 3. What? 5 times the 3, that's the 5 plus the 5 plus the 5, right? I hope you understand this one. Okay. So which means you have to add the same number 3 times. 3 times, right? Return. M is the 5, right? M plus the function itself is calling the function itself. Okay. M and M minus the 1. Okay. But we have to end to calling the function if it reach the result we want to get. That means if the n equals to 0. If n equals to 0, return the 1. Sorry, return the 0. Or return the n. Or return the 0. It doesn't matter, okay? So that's all. Okay, so first of all, 5. M is 5. 5 plus m minus m and then n minus 1, that's 2, right? And here's 5. Okay, so call the function itself. And here's the another m. So 5 plus the multiply function, m is 5. N is 2 minus n minus 1, that's 2 minus 1, that's 1. Okay, and here's the 5. Call the function itself. Because the n is not 0, so you can still move to the return statement here. So m, here's another n. M is 5 plus the 5, m is 5, n is 1, n 1 minus 1, that's 0. And then call the function itself again. Okay, well now, because the n is 0, so return the n, n was the n is 0, so 0. So return the 0. Okay, let's go back to the previous loop of 5 plus 0, oh, that's 5. And move back to the previous loop of 5 plus 5, 10. Previous loop 5 plus 10, 50. That's how the recursive way. Yeah. How, so that's how the recursive way looks like. Okay. So but if you want to get the if you change the plus sign, to the multiply sign, and change the n to be 1, and you can think about that. What's going to return if using the same function, same argument. What do you think? It's gonna return, okay? So that's the concept of the n factorial concept. That's the end of the video. If you have any ideas, feel free to comment here. See you.